Have you also heard about this ingredient that has really been trending when it comes to skincare called as Snail Mucin? So have I, and I had to try it out. I got my hands onto this Renew Overnight Gel from Earth Rhythm, which has 70% of snail mucin. And here's my review about it. As the packaging says, it's a healing and soothing gel mask for sensitive skin. As soon as I read sensitive skin, I know that the brand has been really careful when it comes to formulating this product and the ingredients that it has. So let's get into the ingredients right now. Starting off with the key ingredient present here, Snail Mucin. It is actually worth the hype and it does what it says. It deeply nourished and hydrated my skin, and I could actually see a plumpier, glowy, hydrated look when I woke up the next day morning. It did help me combat my dryness, and I've been using it since the past 15 to 20 days, and I've seen a considerable difference, and my skin has really felt less dry over time. Snail Mucin basically helps regenerate your skin cells, soothing and healing your skin. The second ingredient present in here is hyaluronic acid. HA is basically a carbohydrate which is present in our skin since we are born. But as we keep aging, the quantity of HA keeps reducing into our skin, which is when our skin needs moisture externally. What HA does is, when you apply it on your skin, it absorbs the water molecules from the environment, taking all of that moisture in and locking it into your skin, which is why HA really helps hydrate your skin, regenerate it, and give a healthier, plumpy looking skin. And to top it off, they've also added aloe vera in it, which I really loved because along with the hydration that both the ingredients will provide, aloe vera helps soothe in our skin, at the same time also reducing acne and their appearance. When it comes to the texture of this product, I really loved how lightweight it is. Even though it says it's a gel mask, as you can see, it has a very runny consistency and it quickly gets absorbed into my skin, and I absolutely loved that. I'll just take a few drops of the product and apply it on my face to show you guys how quickly it gets absorbed. Even though it is a mask, it does not feel like one because it is not at all sticky or oily. It does not feel like I have a lot on my face. It rather quickly gets into my skin, instantly giving me that hydrated, plumpier look. So I would give this one 11 on 10 because I am hooked and I absolutely loved it. 110% worth the hype. And a few tips to keep in mind is, I personally take 2 to 3 drops of the product and use it all over my face and my neck. You can also apply it on your chest and other parts of your body. Apart from that, if you're using it as a part of your daytime routine, use it after a vitamin C antioxidant serum. And if you also use retinol, use it after your retinol. Plus, do not forget your sunscreen no matter what. Let me know if you've tried this product and what you think about it. Bye. Thanks for watching.